I think it's a personal massager. That's all I'm gonna say. A $99 personal massager. Anyhow, guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I review my BoxyLuxe box for this month of March. So let's jump right into it. Going down the list like I normally do. This month's box, I don't know, pretty edgy is what it says. Edgy, I'd say. Edgy. Yeah, you're sending out vibrators and shit. It's a little edgy. Not kid friendly. So the first thing on the list is the Tarteist Pro Remix Amazonian Clay Palette. This is the Unicarton. This little bad boy retails for $49. Oh, look at that. It's like a vinyl. That's kind of cute. And let's see if I can show you. Okay, so it's like a shimmer palette. There's what, 1, 2, 3 matte colors. The rest are shimmers. So here's that right there. I'm trying to like show you without exposing my whole life. Smeagol, what are you doing? Smeagol's here. So that's this palette. I guess should I swatch? No, I mean honestly, I don't know. Well, let's swatch this gold. Okay, well, I'm gonna swatch this gold because I want to show you something, I guess, in a little bit. What other color looks really cute? Oh, okay, so the gold is Outside the Lines, Color Explosion, which is this teal. Let's do, no, I don't want to do the black. I just don't want that shit all over my hands. And let's do Graphic. Ooh, Graphic's really pretty. So Graphic, Color Explosion. So this is Graphic right here. It's like purple black with a little sheen or little like pink iridescence. This is Outside the Lines, and this is Color Explosion. All right, fun little glittery palette for anybody who can't grab any makeup wipes. I just have like a washcloth and my fingers are stained. It is what it is. Jose Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum cream and Coco Cabana cream. These cute little guys, which they are cute. I still have some of this one, which I don't use enough, but I do really like it, and it smells so good. Ooh, so this one, it's not even like I haven't used it, but it looks like somebody used it. That's cool. Thank you for a half full Coco Cabana cream. I don't know. There was no like covering or sealant, so maybe somebody did use it. What about this one? This smells so good, but it's full. It's like plum fucking full. How weird. Somebody used my cocoa cream? It's really rude, okay? It's really rude. Moving right along. Oh, those were $15 for the two. They're not full size because I have a full size one of the yellow one I showed you, and it's a lot bigger. So those are not full size products. Maybe because there's 2 of them, that's how they like get away with it. Whatever. And then, oh, okay. So the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette. This retails for $39. This exclusive Hello Charmer palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically with our charmers in mind. These highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for transitional day to night looks. Okay, and this is what I used on my eyes today. I did like a little bit of a sunset eye. This is the little Unicarton it came in, and there's a mirror on here. I'm not going to show you, but these are the colors. So I will have a video up on this bad boy, so go ahead and keep an eye out for that. It won't be up first. But it's a pretty cute palette. I mean, look at that. It may not be something I would go buy on my own for almost 40 bucks, but I got it in my BoxyLuxe, so I have it, right? That's the good thing about like BoxyLuxe, is getting things maybe you wouldn't normally buy and finding out things that you might like. I don't know. All right, so up next is the PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Here's the packaging it came in. I didn't cram it back in the packaging because I've taken it out. I have not used it yet, but this is what it looks like. You can use this to scrub your face. You can set it on higher if you want to scrub your face at a faster pace. You can pulsate it on your face, or you can extremely pulsate it on your face. This side's for serums. I don't know. If anybody asks me, this looks like a personal massager. No joke. I mean, honestly. Sorry. I'm sorry, but it does. Like, oh, this is my facial cleansing device. Anybody that came to my house would be like, yeah, right, sis. The fuck it is. You left your vibrator out, so put it up, please. Thank you. No, I'm not going to use it on my face because I know where you put it with your nasty ass. And then it comes with this cute little plastic thing that you can put down here so that it sets upright next to your products. Lube. Sorry. It's the truth. It's the cold hard truth, my friends. And that bad boy is a $99 cleansing device. That's wild. $99. All right, so what is next? Oh, NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. This retails for $25. It is the lip color that I have on. Has it even dried down? No, it hasn't like dried down, so I wouldn't say that it's like transfer proof. It is a pretty color, and I do like the formula. This color's a bit bold, but it's pretty. Like, I'm okay with that. Come on, the unicarton. This is in the shade You're No Good. And this is what it looks like. It's like a soft matte packaging. Super cute. Love the packaging. It's NARS. Whatever. I'll probably wear it again, but not too often because it's a lot of a lip, right? And kind of intense to put on. Like, am I gonna fuck this up? I don't know. I did. I had to fix it. Then I had to smear it. And then, yeah, it is what it is. But cute. Thanks for the NARS lip. So I also got a Elizabeth Mott Show Me Your Cheeks blush. It is $23. It says, hey sweet cheeks, we've got a super creamy sexy powder blush for you. This is long lasting formula, goes from day to night, and looks perfectly natural and flattering. Alright, cool. I do like this blush. It is on my cheeks. I mean, look at that. It's like a cute, I'm so sweaty. My baby hairs are starting to lay themselves down, but so pretty. Great for summer, and it is in the color peach pink. This is the unicarton right here. So cute. And I've used Elizabeth Mott before. I mean, $23 is kind of expensive for a blush for me, but I do like this, and I'm glad that I received it in this box because I don't know, I love a blushy cheek, and this is really cute. So I got a Spongeli Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. This is the unicarton. It retails for $16. I think I got one along like 2 years ago from Boxycharm. They must just have these kicking around. They probably don't expire. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cute. Smells good. So I'm gonna have to test this bad boy out because I gave away the one that I got in like a gift. So maybe I'll test this one out, let you guys know later on in life how that went. So the last thing I got was this gel liner. This is by Appeal, and the color is Stripped. This is very creamy, such a cute liner. I tried it on, didn't obviously match this, so I covered it all up, but it is really nice. It says that it lasts for like 7 hours, I don't know. But it's $21, which is kind of expensive for me for a lip or eyeliner. You can use it for either, but it's nice, and I'm glad I got it because I'm gonna continue using it. Like this on its own and or with a gloss would be so cute. So the total of this box was $287. So not like the highest cost box or however you say that, but still I'm not mad at the box. I do like what I got. I think it's super cute, and again, we're reviewing this and these products as like a box that you get, not like individually, so keep that in mind. Like, okay, I might not spend $40 on this individually, but I'm happy I got it in my box, right? I don't know. I'm happy with it. What do you guys think? Do you want me to do a look with the Tarte palette? Because I can. I really like this look that I came up with some of the products that I used. I don't know. Leave comments down below. Let me know any reviews that you want to see, any makeup looks that you want to see, your thoughts if you got the box, if you're thinking about the box, any other boxes that you get that you may want. Oh yeah, and the box, this is like $49 for this box monthly. go ahead and add that in. Anyhow, have a good day. Like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Bye.